How to create an invitation QR code for WhatsApp group. First thing you need to do is go ahead and simply open up your WhatsApp application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're inside your app, tap on the group where you are an admin or a moderator. So just tap on the group where you want to send a invite link from. And as you can see here, you could get an invite link, a QR code like this one right here. For that, you need to tap on the profile of the group. Then scroll down a bit until you see the invite via link option. Just tap on it. And after you have done that, you have an option to generate a QR code right here. Just tap on QR code and a QR code will be generated for your group. Now you can download it on your gallery. For that, just tap on the share option. And once you have done that, you could just share it wherever you want. So that's how you get a WhatsApp group invitation QR code. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. I'll see you next time.